G'day, my name's Matt Stone. I'm the executive chef of the Greenhouse. Here we are in Melbourne at our pop-up restaurant for the Melbourne Good Food and Wine Show. In this restaurant we've installed the eWater system. At first I was very skeptical on it. I didn't think it could possibly work. Shannon Bennett is a massive advocate for it. I went up to his restaurant and viewed him on. I checked it out. I washed my hands in it. It was a little bit weird. He explained what they do with it. I was still very skeptical. We've installed the system here at the Greenhouse and it's absolutely amazing. I'm going to save about $50,000 a year at least on chemicals. The eWater system is great. We use it to clean surfaces, to clean the tables, to clean the floor. A small example, last night I took our filters out of the range hood, soaked them in the eWater solution for about half an hour, took them out and they were clean. That's amazing, you know, you can only achieve that sort of result by using harsh chemicals like caustic soda, all these sort of different things which are terrible and they just get washed down the drain and pollute the oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. So we're not polluting the water, we're not polluting soil, it's a very, very safe product to be using. It's cheap, it's cost effective and it's efficient, which is the most important thing. I could not imagine building a restaurant without the eWater system.